Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Styles Apartments. Hey, we're doing just a really brief walkthrough of the Alta Magnolia. This is their one bedroom. I'm just showing a few cool features of the one bedroom. So this is their island. This is the kitchen area. The kitchen area is super adorable. You can see it. It's got just all the new nice appliances. That is a fancy ice maker. And you've got just beautiful cabinets here. Everything looks great. You're gonna feel great in this, and so are your guests, and that special someone too. You have a great island, all set up for you. You've got a really nice living room area. It's gonna feel great. Also, you can set it up just kind of like this, maybe even a sectional. It's really cool. You're gonna have a balcony or patio depending on the floor. So it looks kind of like that. And then in the bedroom, it's going to look like this. It's going to look like this. A beautiful, huge space. So you can put a king bed like this. Beautiful area. And then here is the bathroom. The bathroom's going to look great too. It's going to have a lighted mirror like this. It's going to have a really, really nice shower, tall shower, and then there is the closet as well. So that's what it looks like here in the model of the one bedroom at the Alta Magnolia. Hey, I would recommend to go ahead and set up a virtual tour. Send in a text and say, hey, Grant, I'd love to do a live virtual tour. Send in that request. It's free. I'll take care of that for you. All right, let's go on. We have a couple more things to see. Let's go see this right now.